Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood crypto. First, you'll need to ensure your Robinhood account is set up for crypto trading. We'll walk through the simple process of enabling this feature. Then, we'll explore the diverse selection of cryptocurrencies you can trade, from popular options to emerging altcoins. Finally, I'll guide you through the initial steps to confidently start buying and selling digital assets on the platform. It's easier than you think to begin your crypto journey. Now that your account is ready, let's dive into buying and selling. I'll show you how to make your very first crypto purchase, which is incredibly straightforward. We'll cover placing both market orders for instant execution and limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price. You'll also learn the process for selling your digital assets and how to easily withdraw your funds back to your bank account. Mastering these steps is key to active trading. Effective portfolio management is crucial for any investor. Here, we'll discuss how to monitor your crypto investments, tracking their performance, and understanding your overall gains or losses. I'll also show you how to set up custom price alerts, ensuring you never miss a significant market move. Plus, we'll look at recurring investments, a smart strategy to dollar-cost average your purchases and build your portfolio consistently over time. Finally, let's talk about keeping your crypto safe and exploring advanced features. We'll cover essential security measures, like two-factor authentication, to protect your digital assets from unauthorized access. You'll also learn about convenient features such as instant deposits and withdrawals, making your trading experience seamless. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Protecting your investments and utilizing all available tools will enhance your Robinhood crypto experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.